Catch weight, complete catch weight management ERP.
Stock move with catch weight. Before that, we have to activate the developer mode to get this feature. So from inventory module, click on reporting. Here we can see the stock moves. Now click on it here. This is a complete stock is moving to one location to another location. Here we can see the products from and to. We can see that initial demands, catch weight demands, catch weight, unit of measure. Stock is moving from one location to another location.
Get more details and demo. Connect us. Powered by Technaureus.